Model, 69-plate Fiat Ducato 35 long wheelbase, 2.3 Multijet Tecnico high roof van 130 low mileage window rack van. Euro 6 ULEZ. Non-runner. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 86,292. MOT, 31 January 2024. Engine, 2287 cc F1 AGL411D. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, non-runner, engine has seized, will need repairing or replacing. Bodywork is bang on the money, just needs some work to get this beauty back on the road. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Genuine honest work van. Features, 2 former keepers, electric windows, parking sensors, air-con, cruise control. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £12,250. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info.